Today we're doing a birdhouse.
A birdhouse?
It comes with bird seed.
This is in case you get hungry while you're building the birdhouse, right?
No, it's not for birds.
What if I get hungry?
Only bird seed.
Oh. This says, build a bird feeder.
Yeah, and we bought bird seed to put it in, and we also need a hammer.
You need a hammer in case Andrew starts getting out of line when we're building the birdhouse.
Yeah.
Let's see what's in this build a bird feeder set.
Okay, let's see.
We've got the instruction sheet, right? Oh, this is great. The instruction sheet's important because you set it down here so you don't get glue on the table while you're building the birdhouse.
Dada, you can't. Yeah, it's not fine.
And it comes with
Wood.
a bunch of pieces of wood. And
You can build a birdhouse with all those things of wood. But see these little holes right here, guys? Here's the hammer part where you put the nails in, guys.
nail holes.
Yeah.
Oh, and it comes with
The nails.
and a chain,
Oh, and it comes with paint and a brush.
paint and glue. And a little thing of glue. This is for gluing Daddy's mouth shut if he keeps interrupting the video.
Seriously, Daddy?
Okay, let's open glue. Let's open glue.
Not yet. Is that to make a necklace to hang the birds on once you catch them? Are you ready to build the birdhouse?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright! Okay, it says step 1 is to take the floor piece and put that on a flat surface, just like that. Then we take one of these pieces and we put it on the side so that the holes,
Oh, I see
No.
the holes.
yeah.
Okay.
And then you get a nail and put it in there.
Oh.
Get another nail and put it in the other hole.
Now get hammer.
Alright,
I'm gonna get the hammer.
alright.
Maybe you should hammer since it's so heavy.
You can try it. Just don't hit my thumb.
It's
All right.
heavy. Whoa!
Here's one. I want one.
You want to hammer one? Alright, Abby, you ready to help me with the other side?
Yeah,
Okay, I'll put it in here. Put the nail holes in. Ready?
One, two, high five!
Alright, next is the sides. It says we need to put glue on this side and this side.
Now we twist.
Just like you're drawing. So, we put it in here and we need some nails.
Yep.
What?
Alright, let's do the other side.
Whoa! Ah!
This piece here,
That one for me.
you gotta squeeze it and draw.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Great job, Abby!
High five!
High glue 5. So we'll put that in there.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's right, we'll clean it up. Alright, good. Now the other one.
Well, that has my arm. This is
Very good. Abby, you want to hammer one?
that.
Ready?
Is that you? You said no, Abby. Did you say? Daddy?
Excellent.
Oh, just need this pieces left.
You want to try the glue on this piece?
Okay.
Take your time, don't squeeze so hard. You ready to put these together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put
Alright.
them together.
Put a nail in there.
No,
I'm a pro at hammering.
I want to do it. I'll do the other one. Can I do the other one?
Ready? Very good.
That's a pro at hammering.
Okay, we got
Did we do that backwards?
okay.
Oh!
We need a paper towel.
This, but I
Oh,
don't
okay.
know.
Alright, so Dad's gonna get a paper towel.
Wow, why did you not pick a towel?
Okay,
Alright,
guys.
wet paper towel took care of the blue.
One, there you go, Rick. Put this up. Put, look at.
I like your face that you just made. What?
Maybe I should quit my job and just make birdhouses. Alright, so it says to screw the hooks on.
This one?
Yep.
Whitey tighty.
Mm-hmm.
Whitey tighty, whitey tighty.
Whitey tighty.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yep, this part goes on. Boom.
Oh, cool.
That's it. So I'm gonna hook these onto the chain. 1, 2. Oh no, that one came off. There we go. There it is.
And now we can paint it.
Can I do it?
We just finished painting this birdhouse. Now it's time to put it on the branch and get the bird seed. I'm gonna let you take a little look at the bird seed. See? And
Cool.
yeah.
Can I eat that?
No, it's for the birds.
Okay. We're gonna hang it on that tree over there. All right, Drew. You ready to put the bird seed in the birdhouse?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do we do first? Because I don't know what to do with
First we pop the lid off. Oh no. And now you just pour it in.
all of it.
As much as it'll fit. Whoa. All right, that's good. Is that all of it?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a lot of bird seed.
Some of it's spilled.
All right, so I'm gonna put the lid on now. Ready? I'm gonna use this wire here to put a hook on the tree to hang it from. I'm gonna unroll some wire. I'm gonna cut it. All right.
Here he is, doing the birdhouse. We got it! Thanks for watching our video about doing the birdhouse. Bye!